Hey crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my design team project for Crafty Dragon Creations. I will have the link down in the description box where you can go over and pick up this kit Stacy created for this month. It's called Thistle Do, and it is currently on sale. It's packed with beautiful images and ephemera. For my project, I created an altered book. I am going to just do a flip through of this as I do have a tutorial here on my channel. I will link that at the end of this video if you want to go back and see kind of how I create altered books. This book I did pick up at a thrift store. It had the beautiful purple cover already. I just added a lace covering here on the spine and a sari silk ribbon closure. And I added a little charm dangle that I had of a thistle. I'm going to go ahead and do the brief flip through, and I'll come back at the end and kind of talk through some of the items that I used. This kit had some beautiful images in it and lots of ephemera, and it was the perfect opportunity for me to go ahead and create an altered book using these images and letting the images kind of be the main focal point of the pages in the book. It also gave me an opportunity to use up some of the scrapbook paper that I've kind of hoarded over the years. A lot of that was the background images for the covering of the altered pages, and then adding the ephemera that was in the kit. I added lace trim on a lot of the pocket edges and used a lot of the Tim Holtz sentiment strips in various places throughout the book. I used some vintage book page to back a lot of the images that were in the kit, and also a lot of the Tim Holtz ephemera I was able to distress and use here in the kit to fill in a lot of the pockets. I enjoy making altered books. It's a little different from a regular journal. It lets me be a little more creative with my stash of ephemera and die cuts and things that I have. So I hope you have enjoyed the little flip through of the altered book. Again, the link is in the description box where you can go over and grab this kit, Thistle Do, from Stacy over at Crafty Dragon Creations. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.